How to unfriend a person on Snapchat. So hi guys, the first thing that we are going to do is to simply open our Snapchat application, and once open, click on your profile icon here in the upper left hand corner. Once you've clicked on the profile icon, you will be routed to your profile page. Now once you're here in your profile page, scroll down and go to your My Friends section. So here, you're just simply going to click on the friend that you want to remove. So say for example, we are going to have Tess removed. So here, what we are going to do is to simply tap on her name, and after which you can actually see manage friendship. Click on that button right there and simply click on remove friend and hit on remove in the pop out. So once you've hit on remove in the pop out, basically you will see Tess no longer in your friends list. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video helpful.